Choosing the right product from the market is a hectic job, but don't worry, we've made the task easier by preparing the list of the best ones ready for you. If you want to know more about these models, then click on the links given in the description. Now let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
The refrigerator is an indispensable home appliance for most people, as traditional refrigerator designs take up a lot of space in the kitchen. A chic alternative to the full-sized refrigerators is a mini fridge. It helps in space saving, portability, user convenience, energy efficiency, extra storage, affordability, sturdy designs, easy maintenance, and more.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comment section below.
This portable two-way mini fridge is fully insulated to keep things cool or hot, even when the motor is not running. It can store 12-ounce cans with ease, and the removable shelf makes small items like yogurt, fruit, milk, or juice for separating them effortlessly. And its semiconductor refrigeration chip is Freon-free and more environmentally friendly. And its quiet technology keeps sound at a minimum. Plus, it has two plugs for both standard wall outlets and 12-volt cigarette lighters in vehicles. And its maximum portability allows you to take this fully insulated cooler and warmer from the house on your road trip and into the hotel room to keep medication at the right temperature. And its convenient carry handle makes transporting even more accessible.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This classic 4-liter small mini fridge holds 6 12-ounce cans and is perfectly portable for personal use. It includes both AC and DC power cords, which are easy to switch from using the classic 4L in your home, dorm room, or office, and can be used in your car or motor vehicle. And its exclusive EcoMax technology features make it efficient, quiet, and cost-effective. Plus, it also includes a USB charging cord that allows for on-the-go power via a 2-amp power bank in eco mode.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This Walsh 1.7 cubic foot single-door compact chiller refrigerator comes with a stainless steel look and enriches your kitchen, rec room, or home office with different styles. It can store snacks and keep cool beverages, and more. And its thoughtful refrigerator offers an adjustable mechanical thermostat control to make your life easier. Plus, its compact refrigerator can keep your food and drinks fresh and completely refrigerated in your kitchen. And it has a large capacity and takes up minimal space, making it the perfect fridge for any area. Moreover, this Walsh refrigerator can be controlled manually with a control dial from cool to coldest. And it enables you to turn the knob to set the temperature you want. And its reversible door can open from left or right to make it suitable for different kitchen layouts.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This space-saving small refrigerator stores food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy and without taking up too much space. Its convenient features incorporate a reversible door, leveling legs, and adjustable temperature control. And it has removable glass shelves that expand the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. Plus, its 45 decibel low sound operation is perfect for places where you don't want a noisy appliance, like waiting rooms, TV and game rooms, and even baby rooms where you can store milk for easy feeding.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
This Chefman mini fridge is perfect for personal spaces, travel, offices, dorms, road trips, boating, and more. It allows you to set the fridge to either cool or warm to store your food and drinks the way you would like. And its small size and sleek design make it convenient for commuting. Plus, it is 100% Freon-free and eco-friendly. And it can be plugged into both standard home outlets and 12-volt car chargers. As well as its 4-liter capacity fridge chills 6 12-ounce soda cans. And it also includes a removable shelf to store small items such as yogurt, fruit, milk, juice, smoothies, bottles, cheese, coffee, and skincare items.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.